And we have come here to tell you the following thing. The whole world had the eyes today put on the Afghan war. We all know in Europe that when you fight for your freedom, you fight also for our freedom. We all know in Occident that your defeat would be our defeat. And for this reason, we are obliged to help you. The opinion public thinks that the states sometimes go a little slower to understand the thing. Public opinion has understood what I just tell you. States are beginning to understand it. And if we have come here, it is for that. We are not journalists. We are writers, filmmakers, and we admire Commandant Massoud. And we have come here not to speak but to hear. And what we have heard, and what we have seen, and what we are going to hear from Commandant Massoud now, because we have a long conversation organized, all that we are going, when we go back to France, to tell it to the newspapers and to the politicians. I shall go personally to see Mr. Védrine, Minister of Foreign Affairs of my country. I shall try, I don't promise, but I shall try to see President Chirac, President de la République Française. And to both of them, I shall say what I heard here since a few days and what Commandant Massoud is going to tell me in a few moments. I will make the report of all that, and I hope that all that will be helpful. Last word. In April 92, at the beginning of the war of Bosnia, Sarajevo. We were, Gilles Herzog and me, the first foreigners to come inside Sarajevo burning. Sarajevo was burning, and we came in Sarajevo, we are the first. There was everywhere fires and bombs. But we had one intuition. No, our intuition was immediately that Sarajevo will win the war. We were very, very few people to guess that Sarajevo will win this war. Eh bien, aujourd'hui en Afghanistan, il n'y a pas de flamme. Today in Afghanistan there is no burn. no bombs here. There is beautiful faces of brave men, and I know that Afghanistan will win the war. I'm sure of that. I'm sure that Commander Massoud and his commanders and his people and his wise men around him will win the war. And I know it with so much influence that I knew it at the time of Sarajevo.
ما باید که هستیم که از زمین قلب نفهمیم دست مقدر هستیم و نگهدار هستیم. نمایندگی از علمای کرام استقلال پنجشیر مردمان و مجاهدین پنجشیر و جمیع بزرگان که اینجا هستند به خداوند شما خیر مقدم می‌کنم. این که بار دوم شما در این شرایط حساس در این بحه زمانی و داخل پنجشیر و خبر گرفتن پنجشیریانی و دیگه تو حالت اوضاع این ما قدم دیگه میدونیم باز میرم خیر مقدم. در نتیجه رهبری فرماندهانه جناب آنوس عمومی پایمردی وطندارای پنجشیر مجاهدین ریش‌سفیدا و علمای محترم طی چند سال نبرد اتحاد شوروی علیه محکوم به شکست شد. امروز مانند جلسات گذشته در طی 2 سال دیگر و سالهای قبل در ارتباط با طالبان ما جلساتی داشتیم. علمای کرام، ریش‌سفیدا، قماندان‌ها، مجاهدین، جمیع وطندارای پنجشیر آمادگی خود در برابر تجاوز طالب‌نماها و دادارایش ابراز کردند و کل آماده هستند که تا آخرین همه حیات برسند. از ذات باری تعالی به این ملت و به این مردم بار کمک بکنه و انتظار کمک از کشورها و از بعضی کسای دیگه که به ما به دیده نیک نگره از اون انتظار کمک داریم. همونطوری که شما اعتقاد دارید که این ملت این مردم خدا کمک میکنه ما هم به همین معتقد هستیم انشاءالله به زودی وقت و به اسرع وقت این ملت فائق و پیروز از این وقت بیرون میاد پیروزی انشاءالله از آن ماست. از توجه شما و از علاقتون به پنجشیر به این سرزمین و به مردم افغانستان اظهار سپاس و قدردانی می‌کنم.
Go,